Well, I was hoping you'd let me smell. It smells so nice. How long am I shaking for?
Right there.
Ooh. Hi guys, today on What You're Drinking, Neil will be teaching us all about our rhythm and blues. So let's get shaking.
Nice. So we'll grab our shaker tin. 1.5 ounces or 45 mLs of white rum.
Okay. So this is an alcoholic cocktail one time.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
You love the alcohol.
I like it. I enjoy it. I enjoy it.
Okay, I love the choice of words. Some fresh grapefruit juice.
Okay.
Yeah. So you could go about, on average, 2 ounces. Some apple syrup. About 1 ounce or 30 ml. So you can.
Well, I was hoping you'd let me smell. It smells so nice.
Yeah, apples are really nice. And we're just going to ice this one up.
Okay.
So it's pretty simple and straightforward.
And I already know that we're in the shaker, so I'm assuming that someone here has to shake.
And there's only one person who has to do that.
Guys, I'm the official shaker here now. How long am I shaking for?
That's it. You just want a quick flat shake, just about 5 seconds. You don't want to dilute the drink too much.
Okay. Boom. All these antics.
Nice. That's not it. We're not quite finished yet.
But where's the blue? In the rhythm and blues. Come on.
Oh, why are you rushing?
I'm sorry, my friend.
You want to get it right there?
Ooh. So this is Blue Curacao, right?
Blue Curacao.
Right.
Which is like a citrus base
Okay.
liqueur. I'm just going to top it up with some lemon lime soda.
That's pretty.
You assist me with some dehydrated citrus and some freshly picked
What
mint
am I
leaves.
doing with it?
So we're just gonna cascade.
You come back at me again with this cascading.
Oh!
Okay. So I just
Let's go the semicircle.
Okay.
Yeah, it's easier to work
Trying
with.
to confuse me. And we just
Gonna,
dipping it in there.
yeah, right on the side, just rest it on the side of the glass.
Ooh! Very good, Kezzianne.
And you want a nice fresh mint spread. Just wanna spank it and wake it up a bit.
Wake up. Beautiful. So nice.
Have a straw?
Yeah. I'm always prepared to taste, my friend. Guys, you know this is my favorite time when we get the straw in. Cheers.
It's a bit more on the citrus, but still crisp and refreshing, right?
And something about smelling the mint while sipping that citrus is a lovely combination. So good.
So just a quick note whenever garnishing drinks, you always try to put your straw as close to your garnish as possible.
Yeah.
So the minute you raise a glass to your face to sip, you get all those natural aromas.
It makes sense. It makes sense.
Actually
This
open
one,
your palate for what you're about to consume.
so what you're trying to say is this is supposed to make me drink more of this lovely drink.
It's not more, but also prepares your palate for it.
Understood.
Almost like an appetizer, or if you want to get technical, an amuse-bouche.
An amuse-bouche, guys. So be sure, of course, to try out this lovely Riddim and Blues. Loving the color, loving the presentation.
Sure.
And guys, if you want to see us do more of these fantastic cocktails, let us know in the comments what you want to see. We're taking suggestions.
For sure.
Yeah.
Looking forward to that.
Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.